Today, this shaving cream is going to go on Jordan. We're going to put it all over his hair. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Make him look like a princess.
Like a princess. Jordan, you can't move your head.
Sorry.
You might need to sit on the Oh yeah, don't touch it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. How does he look?
Awesome. He looks so good.
Yeah, what do you think we're going to do with the Cheetos?
Stick it on him. Stick it on him. Throw it on his head. Put it on his feet and make him eat him. Put it on his feet and make him eat him.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, don't want to shaving cream. That'd be good.
Okay, and then put it in his cut and then make him eat him.
I think instead of George having white hair, I think he needs orange hair. And that's where you guys are going to come help me a little bit.
Dump it in.
Wait just a minute. You got to listen to my instructions. I'm going to give each person 4 Cheetos. We're going to make 2 lines here. You have to stand where his feet are and throw those 4 Cheetos at his head. You can't eat them. They're for his head. For his head. So here's one line, and here's the other line.
Go get in line, buddy, if
Right
you guys want
behind
to
you.
do it.
Get in line,
Go ahead.
You don't want to throw Cheetos in his head?
Hey, there's 4 Cheetos on his head.
Go ahead.
Get in line, Donovan.
But I can't yet. I can't get in line yet.
Here, buddy. I'll stand right here. You don't want to do it? There's not a line over. Okay, come on. We'll go over there. There's not a line over there.
Look at that. You look so good with orange hair.
Oh, you've got to.
Are we going to do this?
You will do this, yes.
I don't see it.
She is so beautiful with that hair.
Oh,
Wait, you gotta get in line. Right here. You get to
2 or 3 at a time. And they're going to be right here.
again.
I'm going to put shaving cream
Up here.
Hey, Daddy.
on his head. And you're gonna stand right there. You're gonna run. You're gonna stand right there. You're gonna throw Cheetos and run to the back of the line. Next person's gonna throw Cheetos and run to the back of the line. And at the end of 2 minutes, whoever has the most Cheetos on their Cheeto head player wins. Okay, so let me get. Who wants to help me do shaving cream? One person. You? Oh, you're already up here. Sure. Let's do it. One person. You in the back. Shake it up and help put it on their heads. Don't put it in their eyes. Put it right on top of their head. Yeah. Oh, wow. That was fun.
I'm sorry,
Uh-oh. That went on you there.
Pile it up so they stick.
Okay, should we spin it around?
No, just leave it. Don't shake your head too much. You gotta be really still. Look at those curls. He looks good. He looks good. See that? Oh, how many we got here? Oh, you got a good amount there. Wow. Don't take too many because we have the other kids who have to play too. Everyone else grabs one more handful. One more if you haven't got any right now. And we are 3, 2, 1, done. Here, pick the ones up off the ground.
It looks close. You guys can go back here and grab the other ones.
Yeah, y'all come back here. Everyone, whoever's throwing, stay right there. But everyone else, come back here and grab extra. Use all of them.
Oh, that's cheating. Caught in the act, cheating.
Everyone put them on his head as fast as you can. You got 30 seconds. Go. Keep going, you got 10.